Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Ellipal X Card. So let's see what's inside the box. We have the seed phrase sheet where you could put your seed phrases. I always recommend doing the X metal. That way this could be lost. The X metal is a lot stronger. Alright, looks like a little quick start instructions. And here's the card. And it looks like it's an RF protector that comes with. That's pretty nice to have, so that way nobody can read your card. We have a charging cable. And we have the card reader. It has a charging cable on the bottom. And the top is where you would put the card. Alright, so let's try it out. That's good, it has enough power to start. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the wallet. Okay, we're going to insert the card. Alright, so now here we're going to go through and we can go 12, 24, or 18. We'll do 12 just to start off. Here we're going to create a pin code, so let's just okay. Alright, so now it's creating the card. So we're not going to get a duplicate card, so we're going to hit no. Now we're going to back up the seed phrase. This is very important. Always make sure you don't lose the seed phrase or you could lose all your money. So it looks like they're giving you a lot of warnings here first. Alright, so now we're going to write down the words. Okay. All So hit next. Okay, so now it wants me to confirm the words. So it's going to give you a little test to make sure you did write it down. Okay, so now we created the card. Perfect. So now we're done with this. So we can put this aside. Now you're going to download the app. Just go to your app store and find the Ellipal app. So here it is. We're going to hit start. Just got to read your terms and conditions. We're going to do a cold wallet. And the X card. So connect X card. Put the pin. And put the card by the card reader on your phone. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay. There we go. So now what you would do, you just go ahead and sign all the card, assign all your coins that you're going to be using. You could just hit all, or you just, what I usually do is hit all, and then I just go down to see the ones I don't use, and I just delete them. So hit complete, confirm, and you're all done. So another tip is you could if you have multiple cards, you could always change the name. So you click on the top here, you click on the little sign right here, and you're going to change the name here. We'll say this demo. All right, you're all set. Now you can start receiving and sending crypto. Thank you. Okay, so now that we set up everything, I want to give you an honest review. So I like the fact that it's a card and you could put it in your wallet or you could keep it somewhere safe. What I don't like about it is that I can't actually verify the numbers. I could do that on my Ellipal. So out of the two, I do recommend to everybody to get the actual Ellipal. But if you don't want to spend as much money, this is only about $75. It might be worth getting. Anything is better than not having a cold wallet. So either one will work. It's just whatever you're able to handle. I always tell people, don't be afraid of spending a little bit more for the product you want, because this is a safe for your crypto. You're going to have hopefully millions of dollars of crypto in there, and you're going to be trying to hold on to it, and you don't want to go cheap on the actual safe. Just always remember that. All right, follow me for any tips, and please like and share this video. Thank you.